Start by understanding what MCP or Message Control Protocol really is. Think of MCP as a set of rules that help computers talk to each other smoothly. In any network, you'll find hosts, clients, and servers. The client is like someone asking a question. Imagine you searching for something on Google. The server is the one who answers, just like Google sending you the results. This back and forth forms the basis of network communication. The client initiates requests while the server provides responses and fulfills those requests. This relationship is essential for everything from browsing the web to using cloud services. Now let's see how this connection is managed over time. The MCP lifecycle is made up of three main stages: initialization, normal operation, and shutdown. It all begins with initialization, where the client and server perform a handshake, like two people making sure they speak the same language and agreeing on what they can do together. Only after the handshake can real communication start. During normal operation, the client and server exchange information, ask questions, and use each other's tools, just like teammates working together. Finally, shutdown is when the connection is closed gracefully, ensuring everything ends smoothly. This lifecycle keeps network communication reliable and organized, making sure both sides know what to expect at every step. Initialization is where everything begins. The client and server first check if they're using the same MCP version and share what they're capable of. This is called the handshake. For example, the client might say, "Here's my version and what I can do." The server replies with its own version and abilities. Only when both sides agree, the connection is confirmed and real communication can start. It's like making a new friend. You check if you have common interests before you start playing together. This step ensures compatibility and sets the stage for smooth operation. Once the handshake is complete, the MCP enters the normal operation stage. Here, the client discovers what tools or features the server offers, like reading files or searching code. The client then selects and uses these tools as needed. For example, the client might ask the server to show the contents of a file, and the server responds with the information. This stage is all about active collaboration, where both sides work together to accomplish tasks. The process is dynamic and can involve multiple requests and responses, making sure the client gets exactly what it needs. Final stage is shutdown, where the connection is closed in a controlled way. For local servers, the client closes the input stream or sends signals if needed. For remote servers, the HTTP connection is simply closed. But sometimes special cases arise, like sending a ping to check if the server is still there, handling errors if something goes wrong, or dealing with timeouts if the server takes too long. Progress notifications let the client know how things are going, just like a progress bar. These helpers make sure communication stays smooth, even when things don't go as planned. Wrap up: the MCP lifecycle guides how clients and servers communicate, starting with initialization, moving through normal operation, and ending with shutdown. Along the way, special helpers like pings, error handling, timeouts, and progress updates keep everything running smoothly. Understanding this lifecycle is the foundation for building your own client and server applications. With these basics, you're ready to dive into coding and create reliable, efficient network communications using MCP.